Every turn feels right, every turn feels wrong.
Got a past that I can't outrun, and a future I ain't sure of.
Every sign just fades away, like they got nothing left to say. Where does the road end for a man like me? Lost somewhere between who I was and who I'll be. Every mile just pulls me deeper in the quiet war I'll never win.
There's a mirror in the rear view light, showing truths I try to fight.
Every scar tells a story still of dreams I lost against my will. Maybe I don't need to know, maybe I just need to go. Where does the road end? Or does it ever stop?
Do we keep on running
Till our bodies drown, or find peace in the unknown, finally call it home.
till we call it home?
Where does the road end? Whoa, where does the road end? We sat in silence in your car that night, street lights dancing in your eyes. There were words we never found, just heavy hearts and quiet sounds.
I tried to speak, but lost the nerve.
Guess we got what we deserved.
You looked away, I watched you go.
Like a story ending slow, somewhere between the lines of goodbye. All the things we never tried, all the love we couldn't save,
All the words we were too afraid to say.
now I'm left with what remains,
Just echoes running
through my veins. I still drive past your old street,
like you might be there waiting for me.
but the lights are off, the door is closed, and I'm just chasing ghosts I know. Funny how time don't really heal when the
Pain still feels this real.
I keep holding on somehow to a then that's gone by now. Somewhere between the lines of goodbye is a version of you and I, still dancing when the pouring rain.
Still believe in love won't change.
But reality gon' lie. We said hello just to say goodbye. If I had one more chance tonight, I wouldn't let you out of sight. I'd tell you everything I feel
Before it disappears for real.
somewhere between the lines of goodbye.
I lost the only reason why.
I ever thought I could be whole.
Now I'm just driving with it home.
In a heart that used to shine somewhere between your world and mine. left packed our bags in silence, no words left to say, just echoes of love that slowly slipped away. The radio was playing songs we used to know, now every note just hurts a little more.
I can feel it in the air tonight.
This is where we say goodbye. This is our last ride down this road.
Two hearts breaking,
Letting go.
every lie pulls us apart.
But you're still living in my heart. We were fire, now just smoke, hanging on to what we broke. And I know when this road ends,
We won't be us again. Your hand was close, but never reached for mine.
like we both knew, we ran out of time.
The sunset faded into shades of blue.
Just for like the color of losing you.
Maybe someday we'll understand
Why we couldn't make a stand. This is our last ride down this road.
no more stories
Left untold. Even if we say goodbye,
part of me will never
this is our last ride down this road. We packed up down this road.
Oh, this is our last ride.
We packed our bags in silence, no words left to say,
Just echoes of love.
that slowly slipped away.
We packed our bags in silence.
We packed our bags in silence. We packed our bags in silence.
We packed our bags in silence.
We packed our bags in silence. packed our bags.
We packed our bags in silence, no words left to say.
We packed our bags in silence. We packed our
bags.
We packed our bags. We packed our bags.
We packed our bags.
We packed our bags. We packed our bags. There's a shadow in the passenger seat, the way you used to lean on me. I swear I hear your whisper low in every mile and every road.
The way you laughed, the way you sighed, still riding with me every night.
I tried to leave you in the past, but some things never fade that fast. I got ghosts in the passenger seat.
Every road brings you back to me.
Every turn, every street light glow.
Feels like somewhere we used to go.
I'm alone, but it don't feel right.
Like you're here in the pale moonlight.
Your favorite song came on again, and I almost reached for your hand.
Funny how a melody can bring you back so vividly.
I close my eyes, I see your face in every empty space.
And I don't know how to let you go.
When you're all I've ever known, I got ghosts in the passenger seat.
Every silence speaks of you and me.
Every mile pulls me deeper in.
To a place I've always been.
This love don't die, then where does it go?
Does it follow us down every road?
I got ghosts in the passenger seat.
And they're stronger than what's left in me.
I keep driving, but I don't move on.
'Cause in my heart, you're still not gone.
Just me this road and your memory. Woke up early, the engine hums, morning light begins to come. Coffee steam on dashboard glow. another place I'll never know. Oh, map folded in my hand, lines that cross this quiet land. Every road a story told, every mile worth more than gold. Can't go back to yesterday, time keeps pulling me away. Underneath this endless highway sky, leave my worries far behind. Every mile just sets me free, like the man I'm meant to be. Wind keeps whispering my name, nothing ever stays the same. Through the dark and through the blue, I keep searching something true. City lights fade in my mirror, all the voices disappear. Lonely roads don't feel so cold when your dreams are brave and bold. Her old picture on my phone reminds me I'm not alone. Even ghosts of love can guide every tear I tried to hide. Broken hearts can still believe there is more than what we see. Underneath this endless highway sky, let the past just pass me by. Every scar becomes a sign pointing me to something kind. Golden sunset paints the truth. We are never lost for good. Every road I wander through, lead me closer back to you. Stars are falling one by one, like the dreams I used to run. But I learned to let them go, trust the path I never know. Freedom lies in open space, not a time we try to chase. Every turn another start, every beat another heart. Underneath this endless highway sky, let my restless spirit smile. No regrets for roads I've known, every step has made me strong. Underneath with a worn-out heart and a borrowed time. Dust in the mirror, fading fast, running from shadows of my past.
Every mile feels like a prayer, like I'm breathing different air.
I'm driving down this endless road, carrying dreams I never showed.
The sky's on fire, the sun hangs low,
But I don't know where I'll go. All I know is I can't stay in a life that slipped away. So I ride beneath these open skies, just chasing truth between the lines.
your voice still lives inside my head, in every word we left unsaid. I tried to hold what we once knew, but some things just don't make it through.
Now the night begins to fall, and I don't feel you at all. I'm driving down this endless road, carrying dreams I never showed. The sky turns dark, but I won't slow, even if I'm on my own. Every tear I left behind turns to fuel along the line, and I ride beneath these broken stars, just trying to heal these hidden scars. Maybe I'll find a place someday where the silence don't feel this way, where the weight finally lets me breathe and I become who I believe. I'm driving down this endless road, no more chains, I've let them go. The night may fall, but I won't break. Every step is mine to take. Through the pain and all the doubt, I finally found my way out, and I ride into the morning light, leaving darkness far behind. Just a man and a highway light, learning how to live this life. Boots on gravel, slow sunrise, dusty golden open skies, old motel and neon light, fading softly from the night. I left a note I couldn't send to a love that couldn't mend. Every word I couldn't say still keeps following my way. Truck keeps rolling down the line, every mile heals over time. The radio sings a broken tune, lonely hearts beneath the moon. I tried to stay, I tried to fight, but freedom calls me through the night. On this misty sunset road I ride, leaving all my fears behind. Every mile just feels so right, underneath an begins to glow. Guide me where I should go. Empty fields and wooden signs, counting down these state line miles. Memories like falling rain, mixing softly with the pain. Her perfume still on my sleeve, like a ghost I still believe. Love don't always find a way, sometimes hearts just drift away. Every tear I tried to hide found its place along this ride. Even broken melodies bring a man back to his knees. But every night I feel it clear, something dead or drawing near. On this westy sunset road I ride, through the dark and open wide. Every turn revealed the truth. Time can heal the deepest wound. I don't know what waits ahead, but I trust the road instead. Every mile just helps me see all the men I'm meant to be. If tomorrow never comes, I still walk where I have run. If my shadow fades away, the road will show another day. Maybe love was meant to teach, not everything is ours to keep. Some goodbyes aren't meant to grow into strength we never know. Morning air begins to shine, like forgiveness over time. I can breathe a little more than I ever could before. Every road is given truth, even pain can lead to proof. Life keeps moving like this song. Even lost, we still belong. On this whiskey sunset road I ride, letting go of tears I cry. Every mile feels so alive, like a soul that will survive. Open sky, open heart, every end's a brand new start. Golden light shows me the way to a better yesterday. Boots still walking, spirit strong. Heavy road where I belong. Whiskey sunset, take it slow. There's still miles left to go. I remember that night so clear. Your voice was shaking, full of fear. You said, "Are we still okay?" And I just looked the other way. I thought silence meant we'd heal. Didn't know what you would feel. You were waiting for a sign, something I could never find. It was a night I didn't fight for you. Didn't say the words I should have said to you. I let you walk, I let you go, like I had somewhere else to go. Now I'm stuck with what I lost, learning love comes with a cost. I see it now in every dream, all the moments in between, where I could have held you tight instead of giving up that fight. Funny how the truth appears only after all these years. Now the road is all I know, and regret won't let me go. It was a night I didn't fight for you. Turned away when I should have pulled you through. And every mile just brings me back to the moment we went off track. If I could live that night again, I'd hold you till the very end. I'd tell you everything I feel before we let it all unravel. It was the night I didn't fight for you. That's the truth I'm living through. No matter how far I try to wait, that night is where I'll always stay. Just one moment I can't undo. Dust on my boots, sun in my eyes, chasing the glow of endless skies. Old six-string resting by my side, stories I never tried to hide. The long straight road, no turning back. Memories are riding every track. The radio plays a worn-out tune. Lonely hearts under the moon. Every mile just feels the same, calling softly out my name. I'm driving down this golden dust road, carrying dreams I never showed. Wind keeps telling me I'm free, nothing left but destiny. No more chains to hold me down, lost but never truly found. Yeah. Burst out lights in midnight air, coffee stains and silent prayers, her old letter in my coat, every word she ever wrote. Fading, but feeling stay, like the song that used to play. Time keeps moving, I can't slow, still got miles of heart to go. Every tear I left behind turns to strength along the line. I'm driving down this golden dust road, learning things I never know. Freedom whispers through the night, every wrong will turn out right. No more fear of yesterday, I just let it fade away. Every sunrise feels brand new, painting skies and deeper blue. Love was meant to disappear, why do I still feel you here? And every breeze that calls my name, and every spark of distant flame. If hope is just a losing game, why does my heart still feel the same? Still believing there's a place where broken dreams can leave a trace. Rolling wheels keep steady time, every scar becomes a rhyme. Life ain't perfect, never was, still I feel that quiet buzz. Freedom tastes like desert rain, sweet relief from hidden pain. Even when the road feels long, lonely hearts still sing their songs. I'm driving down this golden dust road, leaving past in light and low. Every mile helps me see who I am and who I'll be. Open skies above my soul, broken parts becoming whole. Every sunset leads me home, even when I roam alone. Dust will settle, stars will blow, still got somewhere left to go. Golden road, don't say